Hey guys, it's Daisy from Currys, and today we're taking a look at the top 3 features of the Hotpoint cooker. It gives you the convenience of having dual ovens, you can cook with precision using flame control, and it offers you easy maintenance after dinner. So we're going to head over to the lab now where we're going to take a look at things in a little bit more detail. It gives you more cooking space with the dual ovens, which means it's great for large families. In fact, the main oven has a huge 84-litre capacity. So to show you in the video just how much this can hold, I'm going to put everything you see here into the cooker. So that's pretty impressive. There's lots of room there for multiple courses and big family roast dinners. So that second oven gives you an additional 42-litre capacity. And as you can see, there's still room there to use larger dishes. This hob has flame control, which is going to give you really great precision when cooking. There's 10 different levels, so it's easy to find the right setting for whatever you choose to cook. And matching the flame level to a specific recipe or dish is going to give you really delicious, perfectly cooked results. The catalytic liners also means that you don't really have to worry about cleaning. They catch any spits of grease and fat and help remove them when you're cooking. Plus, the glass on the doors is really easy to remove, so you can easily keep them nice and sparkling clean as well. If you'd like any more info on the Hotpoint cooker, you can visit us here in store, head online or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.